Ayan, palakpakan naman po yung gutom na dyan. Ayan, sana po pagpasok ng bride at groom, ganyan din kalakas ang inyong palakpakan at hiyawan. I understand the feeling, just bear with me for a few minutes before we proceed with our subjects banquet for tonight. Now, first up, the honor of introducing our bride and our groom has been passed down to me. That, you know, guys, when I was a kid, I used to watch tales and love stories. The only thing that I've noticed is that these tales and stories have their own unique yet very, very happy ending. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year of the Lord 2019, in this lovely day of March 17th, it is my honor and privilege to introduce to you these two persons that made their happy ending came through and ever after come to life. Everyone, please put your hands together and shout your loudest as they make their way inside the venue for our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Guapo at Maganda, Mr. and Mrs. Christina and Jacob Labita.
I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting out for me. Let it go my own. To the dark, to the door, to where no one's been before. But it feels like home. They could say it all sounds crazy. They could say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A billion dreams are keeping me away. Of what the world could be. I see a million dreams is always an attain. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Sadly, there may be light, there may be wrong, say that you'll leave me alone. It's the world you see, to the world I close my eyes and see. I close my eyes and see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams that leave in me away. A million dreams, and think of what the world could be. A vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. For a million dreams, for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.
Once again, please give a big hand for our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Christina and Jacob Labita, together with the very handsome guy right there, Mr. Enzo Cabarrubias. Palakpakan, people.